Welcome to the Monster Farm or Monster Rancher Battle Card Game tutorial. This episode will be to talk about how to read a card. There are monster cards and there are skill cards. Those are the only two type of cards in the game. Let's start with monster cards. You'll see a picture of the monster in the center of the card. In the bottom left of the card, you'll see the monster's name. Now, if you look at the bottom right side, you'll see how much life the monster has. If a monster's life is reduced to 0, they are KO'd, or knocked out. This means you flip the monster card over. In the top right corner of a monster card, you'll see its type. Monsters can either be ground, air, or water. Now on to the skill cards. These are the cards you'll actually be using when you duel. In the middle top section of a card is the name of the card. Moving to the left corner, you'll see the type of card. There are a few types of cards, but we'll get onto that in a different tutorial. Just below the type, you'll see how much damage the card does if it does do damage. In the bottom corner, you'll see how many guts a card costs. Guts will also be for another tutorial, but to summarize, it is the cost of a card. And above the guts is who uses the card. If it's a monster's name, then the monster can use the card. A monster can only attack once a turn, unless otherwise stated. In the name section, there are also breeder and all monsters cards. Breeder cards means you use them the way a monster would, only once a turn unless otherwise stated. And all monsters cards needs to use one of your monsters to attack. So you must choose a monster that hasn't already attacked this turn, and an all monsters card counts as that monster's attack this turn. That's the end of this part of the tutorial. Stay tuned for more. This game has been translated by me with the help of a few friends and can be downloaded below in the description. Share it, enjoy it, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials.